Hi guys, I am back with another crochet hairstyle video. This time I am going to be doing these twists. If you want to see how I achieve this style, keep watching. This is the braid pattern I'm going to be doing today, and braid pattern is very important when you're doing a protective style, especially one with individual twists. So this braid pattern will really mimic the style of individual twists once you have completed your entire head. Okay, so the hair I'm using today is the Free Tress Afro Kinky Twist. This hair comes in 30 pieces, so you'll be able to do your entire head with at least about 2 packs of hair without it being too heavy on your head. And this is what the hair looks like out of the package. Since this hair comes already pre-looped for you, to make it easier for install, I go ahead and put my needle through that loop, and then I insert it into the braid. And as I'm inserted into the braid, once I get it through the braid, then I pull my crochet hook all the way through. I will insert the twist end into the end of the crochet hook, close the latch on the hook, and then I'm going to proceed to pull the end of that through the rest of the braid and the pre-looped part of the hair. And as you can see, that makes it a lot easier for install, and it'll be quicker for you as well. So this part is going to be shown to you again from the other side, the same exact way. The hair is already on the needle. I placed the end into the crochet hook, closed the latch, then pull it through while holding that loop part to the braid, and then just pull the hair the rest of the way through. And for this style, you want to make sure that your braids are not too tight, because as you continue on with this style, you'll see that it's going to begin to pull your braids even more. So you just want to make sure that whenever you braid your hair, that it's not too tight to your head. Okay, so now onto my flat twist. I've already pre-washed and oiled my scalp and everything. So I'm going to be just parting my hair from the start of my twist, and then I'm going to be laying down my edge control gel to make sure my hair is nice and flattened out. And then I'm going to begin to twist my hair to the back. I'm using small twists because I want them to kind of mimic the individual twist that I just put in the back of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys finish watching this whole entire process, and leave any comments or questions that you may have at the very bottom of this video, and I'll try to get back with you as quickly as I can. Okay, you guys, so this is the final product. If you like this style, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Any comments that you have, leave them at the bottom as well. And I really like the way this style came out. I could not be happier. And just to let you guys know, I only needed 1.5 pack of hair to use on the back of my head. If you're trying to do a full head, obviously you need more. So thank you all for coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And once again, if you like this style, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.